construction worker on the job. Today I'm checking some of my machines, making sure that they all work properly. But first, I better check to see if I've got all my safety gear on. I'm a construction worker with my builder's hard hat, strong boots to protect my feet when I'm working on the street. I'm a construction worker, safety vest so everyone can see. I'm working on a building site, that's lots of fun for me. Okay, let's see. Hat. Boots. Yep. Gloves. Oh, and my vest. Safety gear all checked. Now I'm ready to work. Now, 2 machines to test today. I've got my crane and my post hole digger. I think I'll start with the digger. Meow, meow. What's that? It sounded like a cat. Oh, look, a cat stuck up in a tree. Poor kitty. I'll save you. And I've got just the thing. This crane has a very long arm so it can reach high up into that tree. I'm a construction worker with my builder's hard hat, strong boots to protect my feet when I'm working on the street. I'm a construction worker, safety vest so everyone can see. I'm working on a building site, that's lots of fun for me. There you go, kitty, safe and sound. Okay, out of this. And you know what, kitty? You'll be able to get down from up here. Yeah. Now I can check the crane off my list because it's working really well. There. Okay, next. Woof, woof, woof. What's that? A dog now? Oh, an old bone. Well, I can't leave this lying around the building site. But the dog might want to come back for it. Well, dogs like to bury bones and dig them back up. Maybe I should bury this for him. Yeah. Well, lucky, I've got a very good digging machine, the post hole digger. Ooh, this looks like a good spot. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Around and around and around. There. Okay, now to bury the bone. The bone's gone. Maybe the dog came back for it. Well, I guess I'll just fill up the hole then. What's that? What's this? A little plant? I've got an idea. Okay, pop the plant here in the hole, and it fits perfectly. You know, it's always nice to have a few trees around. And now I know that my post hole digger is working well too. So I can check that off the list. So both my machines are working perfectly. Check complete. Now it's time for a break.
Get your booty too! Come on, kitty, let's go for a ride! Woohoo!